from $48 to $8,000. How? Guys, I was using one indicator. Which one? Keep watching. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis, and I'm going to start trading today with just $48. Today I'm going to use extra tool, which is Alligator Indicator. Guys, this indicator will help us to find entry points, and I will explain you everything, how to work with this indicator, how we can find entry points with that, and how to connect it. So guys, perhaps you will like the way I trade and you can use it on your own. So guys, keep watching till the end. So in order to connect the Alligator Indicator, I click on the Tools tab and select the indicator we need. I'm changing the color of the middle line, and I also make all three moving averages a little thicker for a better display of the indicator. So as you can see, this indicator is represented by three moving averages, and today we will rely on the intersection of these three moving averages. That is, for example, here we see that the green line went to the top, and at the same time the sliding ones are moving away from each other. We see that the price is showing growth. That is, in such case, I can open a deal up, because we can see that it was after such an intersection that the price made an impulse to the top, and at the same time, as you can see, as price rise, the moving averages move further away from each other. We will also take this point into account in our trading today. Next, we see that the green sliding line went down. At the same time, the price made a downward impulse. At the same time, the stronger the moving ones are from each other, the more impulsively the price moved down. At the same time, as you can see in this situation with the correction, we see that the moving averages often intersect with each other. That is, in such case, this indicator is not particularly informative and doesn't produce signals as such. Therefore, we will try to avoid such situations and we'll look for more obvious price movements. So these are the main points that we will need to take under consideration today. So guys, let's finally find the first entry point. As you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and after pullback to the top, the price continued to move down. In such case, we will open a deal down, since we also have an intersection of moving averages on the indicator, and there's still enough space left to the minimum point on the chart. At the same time, the main price highs became lower, and also, as you can see, after a fairly strong pullback up, the price has made a reversal and is currently moving mainly with red candlesticks. All this tells us that it is more likely that the price will continue to move downwards in a downtrend in the near future. And I hope that 1 minute in this case we will totally enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and it showed a good decrease. Guys, this is how I got the profit from our first deal. As you can see, the indicator didn't let us down. It suggests us real good entry point. Also, the time of the transaction was great. And so, guys, let's continue. So, as you can see here, we are seeing some kind of correction and the price bounced up from the support level. In such case, we will open a deal for 2 minutes up, because we also have a sliding intersection and the green line went up. As you understand, the price has a good potential for growth, and also, as you can see, recently the price has been moving up mainly with green candles. Therefore, I think that the price will show some growth. Also, in this case, I took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account the price can roll back down or can get into the correction zone. And so, guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad. As you can see, the price didn't show a big increase, and thus our deal closed above the entry point. Guys, we got the profit from this deal, and as you can see, 2 minutes in this situation was totally enough, and I suggest that we continue and find another entry point. Alright, as you can see here, we have a good confident uptrend, and at the moment the price is going up with an impulse. In such case, we will open a deal up, since the green moving line also went up on the indicator and all the lines are well removed from each other. At the same time, the main price lows on the chart are also rising, and after the price rolled back down, we saw a reversal and the price continued to move up. Therefore, I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move in an uptrend and we will try to make money on such growth here. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. You're watching my videos without subscriptions, so guys, let's fix it. Well, that's great! As you can see, the price made an upward impulse and here we got a confident profit, guys. In this case, the indicator didn't let us down again, it suggested us a really good entry point. Also, the time we chose for this transaction was totally enough. And so guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. Here the price is moving in an uptrend and after a pullback down, the price continued to move up. And also the green moving averages is located at the top. All this tells us that the price has a good potential for growth, and also, as you can see, the main price lows on the chart are rising. And after the pullback, the price was able to hold on and continued its growth, so it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. As you can see, this situation is similar to our previous deal, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Excellent! As you can see, the price showed a slight increase and I got the profit from this deal, guys. Thus, our initial amount has already increased more than 10 times. I think it's amazing result, guys. As you can see, the indicator worked well and it helped us to find a good entry point. So guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. So as you can see here, we have a small upward movement and at the same time the moving ones are well removed from each other. In such situation, we will open a deal up because the indicator indicates that the price has a good potential for growth, and also the main price lows on the chart are getting higher. And I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up along the emerging uptrend. I hope that 1 minute in this case will be totally enough for us. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Isn't it amazing, guys? As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is showing a good growth. Thus, we made a profit here. In this case, the indicator didn't let us down again and suggest us a good entry point. We have also chosen the right time for the transaction, and let's continue and see what happens next in the market. As you can see, the price then rolled back down and is currently showing good growth. In such situation, we will open a deal up, and since also on the indicator the green line is located at the top and all the moving ones are well removed from each other. At the same time, we have an uptrend here, and as you can see, after a slight decrease, the price made an upward impulse and we see a large number of green candles on the chart. That is, all this makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential for growth. Therefore, it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. And right now, as you can see, the price is already going above our entry point. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, our deal closed above the entry point, and here we were able to earn. Thus, we already have more than $2,000 on deposit. We are confidently approaching our trading goal, and I think that a couple of deals more and we'll be able to achieve our trading goal. So guys, let's continue. So my dear traders, as you can see, we have a good confident uptrend here, and at the moment the price is going up. In such case, we will open a deal up because we also see that there was an intersection of the moving averages and the green line went up. Also, as you can see, the main price lows on the chart are getting higher, and as we can see, the price is already coming to this zone for the third time. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will break through this area and we will go higher. We will try to make money on such growth here, and let's see how our deal will close. Well, my dear trader, just look at this. So the price went up and here I got the profit. In this case, the indicator didn't let us down again and gave us a good entry point. Also, 1 minute here was just perfect for us, and let's continue and find one more deal for today. Alright, as you can see further, the price continued to move in an uptrend, and after a pullback down, the price went up. In such case, I will open a deal for 2 minutes up because the green moving average of the indicator also went up. At the same time, a large distance remains the maximum point on the chart. And also, after a fairly strong decline, we have more green candles on the chart. And the price is already showing a good growth. Therefore, I think that in the near future the price will continue to move up. And also, as you can see in this situation, I took 2 minutes to spare, guys. Take into account the possible correction or pullback of the price down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, that's great. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and our deal closed above the entry point. This is how we're able to earn money here, and also 2 minutes in this case was just perfect for our situation. And as you can see, we already have almost $8,000 on my deposit. And with that, I propose to end our trading session today because I fulfilled my trading plan. This is for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was useful for you and you were able to learn something new. Guys, today we traded using strategy based on technical analysis, and to help our technical analysis I was using Alligator Indicator. So now I hope you are more familiar on how to use Alligator Indicator, and you can check my previous video because I already have on my channel several trading sessions with Alligator Indicator. So guys, don't forget that I have a closed group where I share my trading signals. These are my trading signals and they're totally for free. Guys, how to get them? Super easy. Just text me code word signal. All the essential links will be down below. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video, and of course turn on notification button so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I wish you to have successful trading sessions and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.